In this video, I'll be showing you all the before and after of me sanding, priming, and painting this Baja. This is episode 1 of a long series. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like it, drop a like. Enjoy. After 5 seconds of doing that, I'm deciding I'm not working on the undercarriage of this car. I'm gonna complete every single thing else, everything else, and get this thing on a lift, and then get this thing cleaned up. It's a lot of rust, but it's not hurting anything right now. That light's so bright, I feel like my neighbors are gonna be pissed. Got it vacuumed. Now I'm gonna take a wet rag in a bottle, and I'm just gonna spray the rails and wipe them down. I'm gonna push this bug out the way. I'm gonna sweep my garage. I'm gonna clean it real good. Alright, I'm pretty sure my LED's been fucking this video up, so I apologize about that. I gotta keep that part in here. But like I said, clean the garage, wipe the bug down, push it out, clean the garage, bring the bug back in here, taper everything up around me with tarps, and then we can prime this whole thing. Start with the roll. I'm gonna start with the back, the engine bit. This is gonna take a ton of rags. I'm hanging up a plastic tarp to cover my walls. Got the engine covered. We have this huge open space. Everything's been blown out. This is day 2, and we got a whole bunch done last night. Last night's footage kind of cut short because my GoPro batteries died. Today's goal is to have this thing completely primed today. Maybe painted, I don't know, but we'll see. Alright, we'll give that about an hour or so. And then we're gonna paint this thing. The front, I don't really care. I mean, it's all fucked up. I might just leave that. I don't know yet. But I'm definitely gonna get the back painted today. There's this really cool color I saw at Lowe's, and we're probably gonna use that like some sort of really cool blue. So. Oh yeah, check her out. Woo. So close to being done.
So I'll take 4x4. We've got requests.
Oh wait, hold on, let's see.
It's a little Yeah, like that one better.
Yeah, do it right there. I like that. Like, come up like that.
Yeah, right there looked like an egg.
Yeah. Thanks.
Sorry.
That should be good. All right, well, I was gonna clean the drums and try to bring them back to life, but they're pretty fucking shot. This is gonna be sketchy. I'm gonna take these two bolts out here, those two bolts out there, take this whole beam off, because that is all that's holding it, so. Hell yeah. We got her off. Now we can sand all this. God damn. That took some little quick reaction time. So we have some rust. That's what I want to hit. We have all this stuff, all this here. There's tape on this paint. Fucking missed that. So we're just gonna do that. We're gonna clean it up. Clean these brackets up. They look like shit. And then I'm gonna take the shocks eventually off that beam lift, clean the whole beam lift, or I might bring that in somewhere because that's like the most important part of the car. So that was fun. Okay, so we're like 3 hours in. And I've got, so that's yesterday's work. Let me turn my light on. So we're down to bare metal here. Here as much as possible. We got fiberglass patch there from the previous owner. We're not gonna touch that. Here, all that. Now this, I'm gonna hit. There's a clear coat on here, so it's a little tougher, but I'm gonna get all that. And time for what we've been hitting on for the most part of the day. It's been fucking hell. Is the bottom. So it's way better than what it was. All that black shit isn't rust, it's metal, I guess metal degrading or something. I don't know how that works. But I try to hit the beam the best as possible. I've been using this. That thing's been eating. So let's see, this is what I've been doing. So we got this. Been treating that beam pretty good. We got inside the tight spots. This thing's from the 50s, so in my eyes, I think it's in damn good shape. Good morning. Another day. And we're still standing. Okay, so here is my hood. It's been sitting here for a while. Let's get to work. shocks?
Not a whole lot.
Because I could probably just twist this off. That's a lock nut. And then if I twist that off, I could probably just relieve pressure by twisting that one too.
Yeah. They've had guys die, like especially the mechanic shop I worked at. One dude did die because one of them hit him in the chest and stopped his fucking heart.
Fuck. Don't tell me that. Part of my YouTube now.
What's up, America?
The question since your video, I got the damn bearing, so that one's off. The bearing's right there because it was inside the drum. This one's fucking stuck right there.
The slide puller, you know the slide hammers?
Mhm.
You can get one with a puller. You just, like, as long as the spindle isn't damaged or gouged or that, you want, this is a part that you want absolutely smooth. So take the emery cloth and buff the hell out of this. So when you
Okay, so it's finally time. We've got everything sanded. Boom. We got the undercarriage. I know it doesn't look the best, but it's way better than what it was. Bumper sanded. We have this all sanded. You know, it's as good as it's gonna get for now. That's fucking fine. It's smooth as butter. Everything's way better than what it was. We have all this dust everywhere. My garage is filthy, so this video is gonna be real dirty at this part of the video, just like my face. I'm about to just blow everything out of here. Here we go.